Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Pereznieto and today we will draw an orchid with this beautiful falcon fountain pen. For the first flower, we sketch a shape like an oval but without the center part. Like so. We then draw a center and the sections to complete the petals. Good. And it has another one which is like a petal up here behind the other ones called a sepal. It has some skinny material on the side and then something like a lip called a labellum. And two more sepals which sometimes we can see and sometimes don't because they are behind. Let's draw another one over here in the same fashion. The two petals, the center, the sepal, the labellum, and another sepal. And let's make another one over here a little bit smaller. Very good. And one more down here. And yet another one over here but on the side. And a little bunch with three more on the lower part. I have been using, as you see, a pink ink which is slightly violet. But now I switched to another falcon pen in which I have green ink. With this we can do the stems and any leaves. Like so. It goes behind the flowers and it shows over here. And some buds at the end. Alright. I tweak this a little bit and then I shade it. We do the shading with hatching and cross hatching as it is usual for ink drawings. Generally the things that are behind will be a little bit darker and they are catching the shadow. The ones in front are going to be lighter as they are getting the light. This pink was a little bit too strong for the tone I wanted and so I diluted the ink with water to soften it a little bit. That is not something that is usually done as it can lose its properties, but I was testing it out. Good, now I will sketch the vase or the container with a pencil so I can make corrections before applying the ink. Now we sketch the leaves. They have big leaves that stay to the ground. I erase the pencil lines that we don't need and then I outline them with the green like this and then we shade them. I love these pens because they are pressure sensitive so we can draw with a light touch in the light areas. If you are in a budget, you can get a similar result with dip pens, which are very inexpensive. I thought I was going to make this drawing with two colors, but actually it is demanding me a third one. So I use my other pen, a beautiful Justus 95 with brown ink for the base. The list of materials, including the inks, is in the information below the video. With this we drew the shadow as well in some little dark accents. We give it the last touches and it's ready. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, share it to your friends and subscribe to find art tips. And I will see you on Tuesday.